Okay. And with most of these play to earn games, are they all going in different directions in terms of how you can earn from playing, or is there a bit of a pattern in how they're going for it, like and how do you actually earn money from the game?
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's a little bit different. I think that they're trying to be innovative with that a little bit as well. Um, you have play to earn, right? You play the game to earn money. You now get play and earn, which is a little bit different. You get like click and earn already. They have staking systems where you get the NFTs, you stake the NFT, you kind of earn passive income because it just comes in. But there's a system where you gotta play the game, like play. There's a horse riding game as well, Pegasus. That's pretty popular right now that people are actually making money with. That's doing well. Where you get the horse, you can either breed it and then you get more horses, right? That you can sell, and obviously that makes money. But you can also race with the horses. So there's a certain time frame. Every X amount of days, there's a new breeding event. You can breed. You got to pay with the coin, right? If they do it well, if the ecosystem is well set up, then there's a burning system in place where you use the tokens to breed the horse or whatever it might be. In this case, it's a horse. You burn the tokens, which then obviously gets tokens to go out of circulating supply, which then usually over time increases the price. Um, you have a new horse and then you sell the horse,
Yeah.
right? With that with that money that you then have, people either you either just use it for whatever else you want to do, go to the pub and buy a beer from it, or you uh, reinvest it, whatever you want to do with that money, or you upgrade the horse and then you become better, or you buy a better other horse from it, and then you use that one for racing, and then you earn money by doing the racing, right? And that's kind of the whole idea behind it. That's what keeps people engaged and keeps people happy to consistently try and improve the horse they have, right? That's a good system they have. Some of them are just continuously playing and playing and playing. And just by logging in, you earn tokens. So the more you log in, the longer time frame you have online per day, the more you earn. So yeah, there's a couple of different systems in place.